Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 106 summary. Here in this first clip, we can see the Wagner unit's headquarters inside of Ukraine burning after a Ukrainian attack. It appears to have been a former football field of some sort. Here in this next clip, we can see a Ukrainian drone dropping bomblets onto Russian soldiers in a trench. We can see that this trench, while having small curvatures inside of it, is not as, I guess you could say, angled as it should be. We can see that one of the Russians just figured that out right there, and it appears that a second one may have been wounded because of that. But due to its shape, the shrapnel can easily travel down a larger length of the trench unimpeded and cause more wound and harm to the Russian soldiers, as we could see right there. How do y'all like that wound and harm? That did not sound grammatically correct, but we're just going to run with it anyways. And we can now see the drone that caused that damage. In this next video, we can actually see an optical factory inside of Russia burning after a supposed sabotage attempt. This factory produces most of the optical systems used by the Russian military on a wide variety of equipment and systems. Here in this next clip, we can see Ukrainians in a trench getting shot at, and the artillery fire lands incredibly close, as you can hear it right there in the distance.
Так, блядь, и живем в однокомнатных квартирах. Ще раз.
We can hear another round whistle in right over him. And we see that this Ukrainian soldier is largely keeping his cool.
Мимо, блядь. Yes. Пидорасы, блядь. Пидорасы, близко, сука.
Here in this last clip, we can see a Ukrainian soldier preparing a small DJI drone with a bomblet to then fly towards the Russian forces and hopefully drop this bomblet on an unsuspecting Russian. With that, I hope you all like, comment, and subscribe. If you would like to see more of these, we do upload a summary like this every day of the week except for Mondays, and we also run a nightly stream at 10 PM Eastern Time every single day of the week except for Mondays, where we cover the previous 24 hours of the war in Ukraine and every single bit of news we were able to find. I thank you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one.